Hello to everyone from RADE Garage. Today we will speak about navigation, specifically about the Carpuride 702, which is not exactly the navigation itself, but it's a mirroring screen. Yeah, actually something what you know from your car when you can mirror through the AndroidAuto or Apple CarPlay. So this is exactly the same thing, but you can put it on your motorcycle. So let's have a look what is inside this box. Here is the device itself, or actually the mirroring screen. Here is the charging cable for use on a motorbike. Here is a fuse and you can connect to the power source or to the battery directly. Here is another charger that you can plug in the USB port and then you connect here with the device. Here is several mounting solutions, either kind of ram mount, to mount on the handlebars, or here is the adapter to mount on the 12mm crossbar. Here are some bolts, extra fuse, tool, and the manual instruction. What we just presented and what you see on the table, it's actually for any motorcycle. But we have here one specific version that has different backside. And the owners of BMW recognize that this is suited exactly for the OEM BMW navigation cradle. So if you have BMW in your garage, this is the version you have to order from our eShop, because you can click it so easily and you can go. The Carpuride 702 Pro, it's in pretty decent case. On top you can see the shade against the sun. Yeah, and as we said, it's mirroring screen. So two main parameters are 7 inches screen and the brightness 1000 nits. That means that the screen is very visible even on a sunny day. Yeah. Otherwise, it doesn't have any memory. It has to be always charged from the motorbike. Because the main purpose and the only purpose is to mirror the applications from your iPhone through the Apple CarPlay or from your Android through the AndroidAuto and use them on the screen while riding the motorbike. You can see Carpuride is already installed on the motorbike, ideally in RADE Garage navigation tower, but it's also possible to install it anywhere else. We start with the ignition key, the OEM dashboard as well as the Carpuride immediately goes on. First what I have to do, I have to connect with my device. Here is RADE iPhone, now it's connected. Yeah. And we start with the navigation use case. So I go Google Maps. Yeah, I put here already on my navigation, I put already McDonald's, the closest McDonald's. And it's, as you know, it from your phone. Yeah, so I can push and I start the navigation itself. Let's try another map source. In Czech we like mapy.com. So I can set up in the phone. I can do, for instance, Melnik, navigate, and then I mirror to the screen, and again, I'm ready to navigate. Then you can use Osman Maps, Stegra, or whatever map source you're used to, and it's eligible for the Apple CarPlay or AndroidAuto. And next to the navigation, of course, you can either listen to the music in your earplugs, or when you are on highway, boring highway, you can listen to some podcasts or interviews. Yeah. So it's really up to you what you have in your phone. You can easily mirror to the Carpuride screen on your motorbike and easily navigate. Guys, let me summarize. With the Carpuride 702 Pro, you will get very convenient way how to mirror your iPhone or Android popular map source application just in front of you on the motorbike in an ideal viewpoint and easily navigate. And don't forget, we have two versions, the general one and the second version specifically for the BMW owners having the OEM navigation cradle. Guys, if you like it, please order on our eShop.